Hello everyone, my name is Elijah Proctor, and today we're going to talk about how you can start a career path in software engineering. So first we need to define what software engineering is. It's basically a discipline for creating, managing, and sustaining software systems or any type of software application. And your job as a software engineer would be to guarantee that software is dependable, it's effective, and it meets the needs of users. And while doing this, you're going to be employing engineering principles. So we're going to talk about some professional organizations that can help anyone enter the field of software engineering. This includes IEEE, ACM, and IASA. And we're going to go more in depth through each one of these. So the first one stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So this kind of has to do mainly with the hardware side of software engineering. Learning about the electrical components that get for computing and how you can use software to make better, or understanding both the hardware and the software in conjunction will allow you to create better software. There's resources here that help to basically grow or help the participants to grow. There's employment fairs and also job boards that exist. There's qualifications that you can use that allow you to be up to date with the most current information and the standards provided by IEEE. If you did have this on your resume as being a member or just even participating in the events, the employment fairs that they have will look really good on your resume. And as I said before, it keeps you up to date with the most latest trends and also their professional views on these trends. Let's talk about ACM, which stands for the Association for Computer Machinery. So I do have a little bit of knowledge about this organization since I was the chairman of ACM for Cameron University. And so here it allows you, being a part of this program will allow you to network with other professionals as you attend ACM events. There are job boards, there's career fairs, and also there's a lot of information that help with building up your resume. And on the professional development side, there's online courses, certifications, and also technical resources that you can utilize that you can benefit in your software development career path. And you can also receive some recognition if you make a huge contribution to the field of ACM, as they hand out awards annually. And the last organization we'll talk about is the International Association for Software Architects. Basically, they have mentorship programs, career development resources, and also job boards, just like the other institutions. There's career advancement opportunities with their specialized training and also certification programs. And just like the other institutions, if you attended any of these conferences, it would look really good on your resume, and you'll be able to obtain skills that will help you as you're pursuing this career. So let's talk about some volunteer opportunities. The first thing we're going to talk about is contributing to open source software. So open source is basically computer software that's made to the public, and it can be easily modified and redistributed. And so you use a version control system known as GitHub, which is a very popular developer platform that allows multiple people to contribute to a software application. So it allows basically people to work in teams to be able to manage their code. So contributing or just looking over these open source software apps is beneficial, just so you can get an idea of what it takes to make good code or write good code and also contribute as a team. The second opportunity we're going to talk about is coding competitions. So this will basically improve your programming and problem solving abilities, getting familiar with real world problem solving and practical coding issues that exist, and you're more likely going to work in a team when solving these problems. So just building connections with other people, learning how to work in teams. Some advantages that exist is that you can present qualifications if you were to ever win this competition or make a huge contribution to a winning team. It would look very impressive to employers. Some study requirements. A lot of jobs that I had seen on Indeed.com require that you have a bachelor's in computer science or software engineering, and The kind of skills that you would learn here is data structures, which is like organizing, way you organize code, algorithms, which are instructions to solve problems, software design, which is how you would create software, and also programming languages like Python, JavaScript, C++. Those are some of the popular ones that you would learn in this undergraduate degree. An optional thing you could do is get your master's degree, so that you can basically get a deeper knowledge than what is presented in the undergraduate, um, and allows you to learn about the latest cutting edge technologies, most likely artificial intelligence or any type of data science techniques. That would be very helpful as the field of technology or even software engineering is changing. Some certifications you can obtain is the Certified Software Development Professional, also known as CSDP, and also the AWS Certified Developer certification. So let's talk about some career search information, how to qualify for a job in software engineering. So let's go over this job description really quickly. We have a software engineer position at Candid Color Systems, which is like a photography company, and the salary is from $75K to $125K. And your responsibilities is you're basically going to be managing web applications like consoles, web APIs, or Windows services. And because this is a photography company, you're going to be developing applications to support or manufacturing photographic products. The qualifications that you need to be successful is you need 1 to 4 years of experience. And so if you get your undergraduate in computer science, that's something you can say is 4 years of experience, because you're going to be working in groups and working on developing problem solving and programming skills. You need solid skills in C# and .NET environments as well. Proficiency in developing GUI applications within a Windows environment, and that's something that you'll also learn with your computer science undergrad or software engineering undergrad. Visual Studio is a popular framework for building these apps that you should learn. Also perform other duties like creating documentation or even testing the application. 90% of the time you're going to be writing code, but you also need to be aware that there's other aspects of the job besides just coding, and you also need the ability to work independently and be able to manage tasks well. And so you'll learn all these skills with a computer science or a software engineering degree. How to be successful: you need to be able to work on projects with groups of people that deal with solving real-world issues. You also need to be able to network. If you do participate in the institutions that I had mentioned previously, that is good to basically network with professionals, form connections that may result in career advancements and employment prospects. And a very important thing is you should find a mentor, locate someone who can offer assistance, counsel, and direction, someone who's accomplished what you want to accomplish, and you can follow their blueprint on how they did it, and you can get something really close to what they accomplished, which is being a software engineer or just being a software developer or a web developer, etc. So Christian worldview informing career path decisions. So being a Christian, it kind of gives you purpose in life, and I think a software development career is definitely a fulfilling thing to do. You can sync your professional life with the passions that you have, and I think that me personally, I think that me being a developer is a calling from God. It's something that I had prayed about, and it's something that I think, and God kind of guided me towards this journey. Um, Also, being a developer or engineer requires ethics, because we basically dictate the biases or the algorithms that we create could affect the people who use our tools. So it's always important to be responsible and or be honest and use integrity, like not just um, or basically just in all aspects of our lives, not just um, things outside of work. And also, being a software engineer makes a positive difference in this world. We offer a service by using our skills to help other people, and I think that is ideal. And I think it's very important for a Christian person who is deciding to want to major in this, or deciding to pick this career path. So thank you. My name is Elijah Proctor, and if you want to reach me, my email is elijahproctor7@my.gcu.edu. Thank you.